Now, in the given question, we have a moving block with mass m which collides with another stationary block having mass 4m. Now, the lighter block becomes to the rest after the collision. When the initial velocity of the lighter block is v, then the value of coefficient of restitution E will be. Now, according to the law of conservation of linear momentum, we know that mv plus 4m would into 0 would be equal to 4mv dash plus 0. So by this we will be able to get the value for v dash, which would be equals to v by 4. Now we know that finding the value of coefficient of restitution, we have to divide relative velocity of separation by relative velocity of approach. So by putting down the values, we will be able to get the final answer of 0.25. Hence, the first option is the correct option for this question.